Step-lead PakTech linear and rotary options meet all needs for inline PET bottles blowing and filling. Step-lead PakTech now offers Step-lead PakTech fully integrated PET bottle blowing/filling/capping systems based on rotary and linear stretch blow molding units. Beverage companies can now choose the line that best fits their production requirement for formats of all sizes. Linear blowers for bigger bottles, shorter runs, and more. Until recently, all Step-lead PakTech models were based on rotary stretch blow molding equipments. But Step-lead PakTech found that some customers, especially those bottling water and edible oil, needed a system, clean and compact like the originals, for larger formats up to 12 liters. For this, only linear stretch blowers will do. Some customers also want to produce only limited quantities, possibly at only 2,000 bottles per hour, and for this a linear machine is again more appropriate. With the addition of Step-lead PakTechs based on SFL linear bottle stretch blowers, Step-lead PakTech now offers outputs to cater for all tastes. For example, rotary types can work at speeds of up to 54,000 small and medium-sized bottles per hour, while a system matching an SFL for large formats with a big fill volumetric gravity filling monoblock can push out 4,000 12-liter containers over the same period. Versatility in linear and rotary formats. But the capabilities of the SFL Step-lead PakTech units stretch well beyond big bottles and short runs. They can produce and fill small and large containers, in various formats, including bottles with handles. They can also work with all types of liquids, whether they be still water, CSDs, milk, hot fill products, or products with high added values such as oils, detergents and personal care. In truth, all Step-lead PakTech systems are very versatile. For example, any one line, whether it is based on a linear or rotary blower, can produce and fill hot-filled and CSD drinks. Numerous Step-lead PakTech customers have taken advantage of this feature. Lower TCO. The linear format has further important advantages. It is very compact, for example, and mechanical movements are simpler than with the rotary stretch blow section, which facilitates its use. Total cost of ownership, TCO, is lower too, thanks to lower investment cost and reduced maintenance requirements. That's not forgetting that Step-lead PakTech SFL stretch blow systems are among the best on the market. In the last few weeks, Step-lead PakTech has installed a new complete line incorporating the SFL Step-lead PakTech system at an important customer in Turkey, for production, filling and packing of 5-liter mineral water bottles. The line starts with an SFL 6/6XXL and Big Fill 18/6 with laminar flow according to ISO 7 and also includes labeling and shrink wrapping systems and a Genius PTF/2 palletizing system. It is designed to run at a speed of 6,600 bottles per hour. A variety of mechanical and electronic fillers. Step-lead PakTech produces various types of fillers that can be coupled with the linear and rotary blow molders for small formats. These include the Stillfill Evo mechanical gravity filler for hot and cold-filled non-carbonated drinks, the mechanical ice-fill isobaric level filler for carbonated soft drinks and mineral waters, the Step-lead PakTech S and SE electronic volumetric fillers for various types of still liquids and hot fill products respectively, the Step-lead PakTech W electronic weight filler for products with extra added value, and the Step-lead PakTech C electronic multi-product volumetric filling monoblock for CSDs, still and sparkling mineral waters, cold and hot fill juices. Many options to keep things clean. Step-lead PakTechs all excel with their simplicity and hygiene. There is no need for rinsing between blowing and filling, no need for external conveying systems, and total protection from the outside environment from the moment the preform enters the feed chute until the filled and sealed bottle emerges, ready for wrapping. The high levels of cleanliness make it possible for customers to use them for CSDs that contain no artificial preservatives.